Hey guys, welcome back to Jenny Moon Bloom. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. We are a plant channel here at Jenny Moon Bloom. All things plants, fun stuff like plant care tips, plant projects, experiments, and also plant mail. Today is a plant mail video, which is probably my favorite because it's like the easiest, least work. It's like opening a present, right? So today I've got a package from Gabriella Plants. They are a reputable nursery located in Central Florida, and this is like my, I don't know, sixth package from them. So they have great reviews. I kind of have mixed reviews about different plants that have arrived, but obviously it's good enough to keep me ordering again, right? So I was lucky to snag, in here should be a Philodendron painted lady. So it is a variegated philodendron. It has like, I don't know, like these beautiful red stems, and when leaves are young and fresh, they're like a neon yellow, and then they kind of turn like this beautiful green color. So I'm really excited about this. Yeah, let's get this baby open. I never like to leave my plants in their boxes too long, so yes, always exciting to open plant mail. I've never had this plant before. I do order a lot from Gabriella's Plants, but I feel like I should kind of, I don't know, experiment or, you know, feel out other nurseries. So if you guys like do plant shopping online and have any other really great online nurseries that you suggest for me to check out, let me know, because I don't really know that much. I kind of just started ordering plants online, and it's, you know, been mostly from Etsy and Gabriella's Plants. So all right, enough talking, let's open the box. Got my little receipt. They always have this cute sticker in here, and then they send like unboxing guides, and they always have a little card of who cared for your package, who packed it, who sent it, who picked your plant out. It's really cute. So it's always nerve-wracking, but it's always exciting too. Their plants are always packaged super well. There's never ever really loose soil, which is good. They do a really great job of keeping your plants safe. I'm all excited. Okay. It's always like scary. She's beautiful. She's got nice large leaves. She's in pretty perfect condition. It looks like one of these larger leaves got maybe, I don't know, some damage in the nursery or before being sent out, but it's fine. You can never expect a perfect plant ever, especially through the mail. So, ooh, it's got a, look, nice large established leaves. There's a new leaf peeping out. I don't know if you could see any of this or if it's blurry, but it's nice and healthy, and it's large, and I'm gonna check on the soil. Soil's a little dry, but I wouldn't say super dry, so I don't think she needs to be watered right away either, but she's awesome. She's beautiful. There's new growth down here. Her stem is nice and fat, so like that's just lets me know she's a strong plant, and I don't know, I'm in love with her already. Look at the colors, variegation. I think she's pretty young, so I'm sure with time there'll be more variegation, but I'm happy. I'm happy. It's a big, strong plant, and the leaves are pretty perfect, and there's new growth. So that's all I could ask for, a healthy plant. Hopefully, you know, I haven't had one of these before. Hopefully she'll adjust to my home well and love me as much as I love her already. So yay! Thanks for for checking in on my video today. Quick little plant mail video. If you want more updates, more frequent updates on my plants, such as my Philodendron painted lady, check out my Instagram. It's at jenny.moon.bloom. You're gonna find all things plants there, and just more frequent updates on my plants here that you guys see. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, guys.